Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get high ticket clients on Instagram. So make sure you watch this video till the end and let's get started. To attract those high ticket clients, you have got to follow these steps. Let's dive right in. Step 1. You have a solid brand message. You need to define what you want your audience to think about when they see your content. Your post should reflect the same message, creating a cohesive picture of your brand. Step 2. Share before and after photos, testimonials, and client success stories. Show how your service or products have truly transformed lives. This builds trust and credibility. Step 3. Engage with people to interact with your posts, respond to comments and DMs. Show potential clients that you can solve their problems before they even ask for a solution. Step 4. Focus on creating content that speaks to the specific problem of your target audience. Use tools like Google Trends to find popular topics and keywords that resonate with your niche. Step 5. Your bio is first impression, so make sure it's clear and engaging. It should reflect exactly what your business offers and invite visitors to explore your page further. Step 6. Engage with your audience, build trust, and only pitch your offer when the timing is right. Your DMs to understand their needs and provide solutions that align with your goals. And that's it. That's how you can get high ticket clients on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content just like this. See you in the next one.